Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa ay unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tulad. Natatandaan mo pa ba sa punong mangga at ang inalay kong gumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita sa paglipas ng panahon. Bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman. Bakit kailangan lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman. Bakit kailangan lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here, tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears, and not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of